Hello YouTubers, wanted to share with you a quick salvage build. Build greenhouses a lot of different ways. Last week I was on a job and a commercial building had a awning on it, and they wanted the awning taken off and thrown away. Let me show you what it looked like when I got it. So it was just a frame. It was just a frame that was attached to the building, and the canvas was stretched over it. And we really debated on maybe putting two together, and obviously it would make a set of trusses. But instead what we did is we decided that we was just going to stand them up like that, and we set them apart far enough to get the doors in there. So let's look at inside the greenhouse and look how it ended up. Not quite done putting the jamb and stuff around the door so it would be more sealed up. So we salvaged these. These are off of a big skid that a rooftop unit air conditioner came on, and they're 6x8, and we just dug down in the hill here and leveled them up. The orientation here, the long side of the greenhouse is on the south. We salvaged those beams, and obviously this is an aluminum frame here. It ends right there, and you can see if you back out just a bit, it wasn't quite tall enough. So what we did is we cut our peak on our plywood and made our ends and put a ridge board in the center so it would have some slope to it, so it would drain off. Inside these brackets here, these here we're going to use for shelves. And so what this small greenhouse is for is for just starting plants in the spring. Probably start 3,000 or 4,000 tomato plants in here. We put shelves in here a little later on. Might grow some in the ground. We'll put a little path in here. Perhaps we are considering, since this is the south side, we're considering plywooding the north side and the roof a little bit to see how much more heat that it will hold. It's already doing its job. It's hot in here right now. This is zero cost. This is everything. This is complete salvage. We salvaged every bit of this. We got zero cost in this. And what we come up with is we got basically a 10 by 10, so we got 100 square feet of area down at the floor, but we're going to put the shelves in and all the way across the back, and shelves up here, and maybe some pots, and this will be a starter greenhouse. So I like doing things economical, cheap, with just what you can find laying around. And so I wanted to share this this build with you. It's a great little small greenhouse design. I think this greenhouse, the small one at Harbor Freight, starts around $700. So it's at least a $700 savings. Alright guys, thanks for watching.